Read the following statement and select the correct one. 1. Increase in mass and increase in number of individual are twin characteristics of growth. Metabolic reaction can be demonstrated outside the body in isolated cell-free system. Third is response to stimuli is a defining property of living organism. The correct answer is D. A living organism is exceptionally differentiated from a non-living structure on the basis of reproduction, growth and movement, interaction with environment, responsiveness. The correct answer is responsiveness. In plant, cell division occurs days, whereas in animal occur in days. Only up to a certain age, continuously, only up to a certain age, continuously in both, only up to the certain age in both. The correct answer is B. Which two of the following given points are known as twin characteristics of growth? Increase in mass, increase in number of individual, cellular organization, cellular differential. The correct answer is A, which is increase in mass and increase in number of individual. The next question is match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from codes given below. Column 1 Planaria, fungi, yeast, amoeba. Column 2 binary fission, asexual spore, budding, true regeneration, fragmentation. The correct answer is B, which is जिनमें से प्लानेरिया ट्रू रीजेनरेशन, फंजाई both asexual spore and fragmentation, yeast with budding and amoeba with binary fission. The next question is which of the following groups consist of organisms which multiply by fragmentation? A. Earthworm, amoeba, fungi. B. Earthworm, fungi, bacteria. C. Fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of mosses. D. Amoeba, hydra and bacteria. The correct answer is C, which is fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of moss. The next question is which of the following organisms do not produce? A. Mule. B. Worker bees. C. Infertile human couple. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Next question is read the following statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Reproduction cannot be considered as defining property of living organism. Statement 2. There are many living organisms which do not reproduce. Example mule, worker bees, infertile human couple, etc. Option is both statement 1 and 2 are true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. B. Both statement 1 and 2 are true but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. C. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. D. Both statement 1 and 2 are false. The correct answer is A, which is both statement 1 and 2 are true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. The next question, which is which of the following statement regarding the response of living organism to external stimuli is correct? A. The external environment stimuli can be physical, chemical or biological. All the organisms from the prokaryotes to the most complex eukaryotes can sense and respond to environmental stimuli. C. Consciousness and response to stimuli is the defining property of living organism. D. All of these. The correct answer is D, which is all of these. The next question is the statement Nothing lives forever, yet life continues. Illustrate the role of embryogenesis, morphogenesis, replications, and reproduction. The correct answer is D, which is reproduction. The next question is, which of the following set does not contain the defining characteristics of living organism? A. Growth and reproduction. B. Metabolism and cellular level of organization. C. Response to stimuli and consciousness. D. All of these. The correct answer is A, which is growth and reproduction. This is the branch of science dealing with identification, nomenclature, and classification of organisms. The options are morphology, B. Anatomy, C. Ecology, D. Taxonomy. The correct answer is D, which is taxonomy. Select the correctly written botanical or zoological name. Option A, Homo sapiens. Option B, Panthera tigris. Option C, Pisum sativum. Option D, Mangifera indica. The correct answer is B, which is Panthera tigris, because the genus is start from capital letter and the species is start from the small letter. First step in taxonomy is option A, description of organism. Option B, identification of the organism. Option C, nomenclature of the organism, and option D, classification of the organism. The correct answer is option B, which is identification of the organism. The third name in trinomial nomenclature is option A, species. Option B, subgenus. Option C, subspecies. Option D, ecotype. The correct answer is option C, which is subspecies. Which of the following is the correct representation of organization's label in living beings? Option A, subcellular, cellular, individual, community, population. Option B, atomic, molecular, subcellular, cellular, tissue, organ system, individual. Option C, individual, population, organ system, tissue, cellular, molecular, atomic. Option D, atomic, molecular, tissue, individual, ecosystem, community. The correct answer is B, which is atomic, then molecular, then subcellular, then cellular, then tissue, then organ system, then individual. Which of the following statement regarding the universal rule of biological nomenclature is incorrect? Option A, biological names are either derived from Latin language or are Latinized. Option B, the first word in a biological name represents the genus, while the second component denoted the species. Option C, both the word in biological name when handwritten are separately underlined or printed in italic to indicate their Latin origin. Option D, the specific epithet start with a capital letter while the generic epithet start with a small letter. It can be illustrated with the example of Mangifera indica. The correct answer is option D, which is the specific epithet start with a capital letter while the generic epithet start with a small letter. It can be illustrated with the example of Mangifera indica. This statement is incorrect according to biological nomenclature. Linnaeus described 5,900 species of plants in his book Dash in 1753 and 4,326 species of animals in his book Dash in 1758. The option is option A, Philosophia Botanica and Genera Plantarum. Option B, Historia Naturalis and Species Plantarum. Option C, Systema Nature and Species Plantarum. And option D, Species Plantarum and Systema Nature. The correct answer is D, which is species Plantarum and Systema Nature. ICBN is option A, International Code of Biological Naming. Option B, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Option C, International Class of Biological Nomenclature. Option D, International Classification of Biological Nomenclature. The correct answer is option B, which is International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Who wrote Species Plantarum and provide a basis for the classification of plant? Option A, Carolus Linnaeus. Option B, Charles Darwin. Option C, Robert Hooke. Option D, Leeuwenhoek. The correct answer is option A, which is Carolus Linnaeus. Classification system have many advantages. Which of the following is not a goal of biological classification? Option A, to depict convergent evolution. Option B, to clarify relationship among organisms. Option C, to help us remember organisms and their trait. Option D, to identify and name organism. The correct answer is option A, which is to depict convergent evolution. This is the not goal of classification system. An English naturalist who wrote the book Historia Generalis Plantarum and introduced the word species was option A, Theophrastus. Option B, John Roy. Option C, Cuvier. Option D, Lamarck. The correct answer is option B, which is John Roy. Linnaeus system of classification was based on option A, morphology. Option B, ecology. Option C, embryology. Option D, cytology. The correct answer is option A, which is morphology. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column 1, A, binomial nomenclature. B, Darwin of the 20th century. C, father of botany. D, father of medicine. Column 2, I, Hippocrates. 2I, Ernst Mayr. 3rd I, Linnaeus. IV, Theophrastus. The option is A, 3rd I, B, 2I, C, IV, D, I. Option B, A, 3rd I, B, 2I, C, I, D, IV. Option C, A, I, B, 2I, C, 3rd I, D, IV. Option D, A, 2I, B, 3rd I, C, IV, D, I. The correct answer is A, which is binomial nomenclature. Linnaeus, the Darwin of the 20th century, Ernst Mayr. Father of botany, Theophrastus. Father of medicine, Hippocrates. Most names in biological nomenclature of living organisms are taken from which language? Option A, Hindi. Option B, Latin. Option C, German. Option D, French. The correct answer is option B, which is Latin. Carolus Linnaeus belonged to option A, France. Option B, Germany. C, Sweden. D, Holland. The correct answer is option C, which is Sweden. The main purpose of classification of organism is to option A, study of geography. Option B, locate plants and animals. Option C, establish relationship amongst organisms. Option D, study evolution. The correct answer is option C, which is establish relationship amongst organisms. The main objective of plant taxonomy is option A, to study the world's flora. Option B, to provide a method for identification and nomenclature. Option C, to provide Latin scientific name for every group of plant in the world. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. The plants were given Latin names because it is a option A, simple language, option B, common language, option C, dead language, option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, which is dead language. Select the correct option for biological names. Option A, they are binomial. Option B, they are descriptive. Option C, they are universal. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. The scientific name of banyan is written as Fucus bengalensis L. Which of the following statement is correct regarding this? Option A, letter A dot signify Latin language. Option B, the name should be written reverse with bengalensis preceding Fucus. Option C, letter L dot signify the taxonomist Linnaeus. And option D, which is bengalensis is generic name. The correct answer is option C, which is letter L dot signify the taxonomist Linnaeus. In the binomial system of taxonomy developed during the 18th century by Carolus Linnaeus, the second word of an organism binomial name represent option A, species, option B, genus, option C, race, and option D, which is family. The correct answer is A, which is species. Which one of the following books was contributed by Linnaeus? Option A, Systema Naturae. Option B, Historia Plantarum. Option C, Historia Naturalis. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option A, which is Systema Naturae. The internationally recognized biological names were given by Linnaeus in his book. Option A, Philosophia Botanica. Option B, Historia Plantarum. Option C, Species Plantarum. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is C, which is Species Plantarum. Founder of the binomial nomenclature was option A, Linnaeus, option B, Mendel, option C, Darwin, option D, Lamarck. The correct answer is option A, which is Linnaeus. Which one of the following is a mismatched pair of common name and biological name of an organism? Option A, Para rubber, Hevia brasiliensis. Option B, T, Thea chinensis. Option C, earthworm, Ferretima posthuma. Option D, frog, Bufo melanostictus. The correct answer is D, which is frog, Bufo melanostictus is mismatched pair. Which of the following statement is not correct? Option A, biodiversity is the occurrence of variety of life form differing in morphology, anatomy, habitat and habit. Option B, systematic is the branch of biology that deals with cataloging plants, animals and other organisms into categories that can be named, remembered, compared and studied. Option C, classification is the branch of biology that deals with principle and procedure in identification and nomenclature of organism. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is C, which is classification is the branch of biology that deals with principle and procedure of identification and nomenclature of organism. A taxonomic hierarchy family is interpolated between option A kingdom and class, option B class and order, option C order and genus, and option D class and genus. The correct answer is C, which is order and genus. The given flow chart represents the hierarchy of various taxonomy category. Identification the missing category A, B and C and select the correct statement regarding this. I. A is the taxonomic category which contain a number of related genera. B. Example of category B are Monocotyledone, Dicotyledone, Mammalia, etc. Third I. C represent the basic unit of taxonomic hierarchy. IV. Example of category C are fungi, Monera, Protista, etc. Option A, I and 2I. Option B, third I and IV. Option C, I, 2I and IV. Option D, I, 2I, third I and IV. The correct answer is C, which is I, 2I and IV. Which one of the following has least similar characteristics? Option A family, option B class, option C genus and option D species. The correct answer is C, which is class. The ascending or descending arrangement of taxonomy category is called option A classification, option B taxonomy, option C hierarchy, option D key. The correct answer is option C, which is hierarchy. Select the correct classification for given plant. Option A Plantae, Angiosperm, Asterales, Asteraceae. Option B Angiosperm, Dicotyledone, Asterales, Asteraceae. Option C Angiosperm, Dicotyledone, Polynomials, Composite. Option D Dicotyledone, Asteraceae, Asterales, Composite. The correct answer is B, which is Angiosperm, Dicotyledone, Asterales and Asteraceae. Which of the following represent the correct sequence of various taxonomic category? Option A class, phylum, tribe, order, family, genus, species. Option B division, class, family, tribe, order, genus, species. Option C division, class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. Option D phylum, order, class, tribe, family, genus, species. The correct answer is C, which is division, then class, then order, family, tribe, genus, species. Basic unit of smallest taxon of classification is option A species, option B kingdom, option C family, option D variety. The correct answer is option A, which is species. Which one of the following is not a category? Option A phylum, option B species, option C class, option D Glumaceae. The correct answer is option D, which is Glumaceae. Related genera belong to the same. Option A species, option B variety, option C family, option D breed. The correct answer is C, which is family. Select the mismatch pair. Option A Panthera leo belong to class Mammalia. Option B Musca domestica, the common house lizard, a reptile. Option C Antoimba coli, commonly occurring protozoan in human intestine. Option D Solanum tuberosum, a dicotyledonous plant. The correct answer is option B, which is Musca domestica, the common house lizard, a reptile. This one is mismatch pair because Musca domestica is commonly a house fly which is belong insect. The birds taxonomically represent a option A family, option B order, option C class, option D phylum. The correct answer is option C, which is class. The term taxon is used for option A, the rank of species and genus, option B, the rank up to phylum, option C, the species epithet only, option D, any rank of taxonomic hierarchy. The correct answer is option D, which is any rank of taxonomic hierarchy. Two organisms are present in the same class but not in the same family. They may be belong to the same option A genus, option B species, option C variety, option D order. The correct answer is option D, which is order. Mangifera is option A variety, option B genus, option C species, option D class. The correct answer is option B, which is genus. The geological name in fish Katla katla, the specific name is identical with the generic name. Thus, it is an example of option A autonym, option B tautonym, option C synonym, option D homonym. The correct answer is option B, which is tautonym. The basic units upon which the system of classification are based is option A species, option B genus, option C order, option D family. The correct answer is option A, which is species. Which term can be used for any taxonomic rank? The option is class, option B taxon, option C family, option D cohort. The correct answer is option B, which is taxon. Which of the following categories possesses least number of related characters? Option A order, option B phylum, option C class, option D species. The correct answer is option B, which is phylum. Genus is a group of similar and related. Option A classes, option B phyla, option C species, option D order. The correct answer is option C, which is species. Let's discuss about some questions related with the taxonomy category. The first one is the name of plant order end with option A ACAE, option B ALES, option C IDEA, option D AE. The correct answer is option B, which is ALES. Then next question. Which of the following characters are mainly considered to declaring a new species? Option A characters of endosperm, option B anatomical characters, option C physiological character, option D floral character. The correct answer is option D, which is floral characters. Then go to the next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A indica, tuberosum and leo represent the specific epithet. Option B Physalia, Apis and Helianthus represent the generic epithet. Option C Monocotyledone and Dicotyledone are the two classes of division angiosperm. Option D Phylum Chordata is the largest phylum of kingdom Animalia. The correct answer is option D, which is the phylum Chordata is the largest phylum of kingdom Animalia. Which one is not correct? Two animals belong to same kingdom but different classes. They may be belong to the same. Option A phylum, option B order, option D division, option D species. The correct answer is option A, which is phylum. The study the following which different organism with their taxonomic categories. Select the correct option for A and B. Option A Chordata insect, Anacardiaceae, Monocotyledone. Option B Animalia, Arachnida, Anacardiaceae, Monocotyledone. Option C Chordata, Arachnida, Polygoniaceae, Monocotyledone. Option D non-chordata insect, Anacardiaceae, Dicotyledone. The correct answer is option A, which is A for chordata and B for insect. Which of the following is an incorrect pair? Option A, Gizopus stolonifera, a common black bread mold. Option B, Trypanosoma gambians, a protozoans protist. Option C, Euplictala, a member of phylum Cnidaria. Option D, Lycopersicon, a dicotyledonous plant. The correct answer is option C, which is Euplictella, a member of phylum Cnidaria. A taxonomic category refers to option A, the basic unit of classification. Option B, the rank of level in the taxonomic hierarchy. Option C, a group of related organisms able to interbreed. Option D, a group of related organisms but unable to interbreed freely. The correct answer is option B, which is the rank of level in taxonomic hierarchy. Amongst all the kingdom, the only taxon that exists in nature as a biologically cohesive unit is the option A, species. Option B, genus. Option C, phylum or division. Option D, kingdom. The correct answer is option A, which is species. In a taxonomic hierarchy, genus is interpolated between option A, kingdom and class. Option B, phylum and order. Option C, order and species. Option D, family and species. The correct answer is option D, which is family and species. A collection of species which bear a close resemblance to one another in the morphological characters of the floral part is known as option A, family. Option B, variety. Option C, genus. Option division. The correct answer is option C, which is genus. The taxonomic category below the level of family is option A, class. Option B, species. Option C, phylum. Option D, genus. The correct answer is option D, which is genus. Which is the odd one of the following series? Option A, Sapiens. Option B, Americana. Option C, Rotundus. Option D, Hemidactylus. The correct answer is option D, which is Hemidactylus, because A, B and C option are belongs to the species, but Hemidactylus is belongs to the genus. The suffix oed is used for option A, tribe. Option B, family. Option C, class. Option D, subfamily. The correct answer is option D, which is subfamily. On the basis of nucleus, virus should be placed under option A, prokaryotes. Option B, eukaryotes. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, which is prokaryotes. A true species consists of a population which is sharing the same niche. Option B, interbreeding. Option C, feeding over the same food. Option D, geographically isolated. The correct answer is option B, which is interbreeding. Which of the following option represent the correct classification for the given animal? Option A, Chordata, Vertebrata, Chiroptera, Felidae, Canis, Tigris. Option B, Chordata, Mammalia, Carnivora, Felidae, Panthera, Tigris. Option C, Vertebrata, Mammalia, Carnivora, Felidae, Panthera, Tigris. Option D, Mammalia, Felidae, Carnivora, Feliaceae, Panthera, Leo. The correct answer is option B, which is this animal belong to the phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, family Felidae, genus Panthera, species Tigris. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from codes given below. Column 1. A, John Roy. B, Carolus Linnaeus. C, Aristotle. D, Julian Huxley. Column 2. I, gave the concept of new systematics. 2I, first describes species as a unit of classification. 3rd I, father of zoology. IV, introduce binomial nomenclature. The correct answer is option D, which is A. John Roy is the first described species as an unit of classification. B. Carlos Linnaeus introduced binomial nomenclature. C. Aristotle is father of zoology. And D. Julian Huxley, which is gave the concept of new systematics. In biological terminology, a group of similar organisms which are capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring is called option A, species, option B genus, option C tribe, option D family. The correct answer is option A, which is species. Which of the following taxonomic category include one or more related order? Option A phylum or division, option B genus, option C family, option D class. The correct answer is option D, which is class. Select the incorrect statement out of the following. Option A, all animals belonging to various phyla are assigned to the kingdom Animalia. Option B, as we go higher from species to kingdom, number of common characteristics goes on increasing. Option C, different classes comprising fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals together constitute the phylum Chordata. Option D, plant order Polemoniales include the family like Solanaceae and Convolvulaceae based on vegetative and floral character. The correct answer is option B, which is as we go higher from species to kingdom, number of common characteristics goes on increasing. This one is incorrect statement because the characteristics goes on decreasing, not increasing. The floral features are commonly used for identification of angiosperm because option A, reproductive part are more conservative. Option B, flower can be safely preserved. Option C, flower are nice to walk with. Option D, flower have various color and scent. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, which is reproductive part are more conservative. Key is a taxonomical aid used for the identification of organism. Each statement in key is called option A, couplet, option B, lead, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D. The correct answer is option B, which is lead. Which of the following figure represent the correct method of pressing plant to form herbarium seed? Option A, figure A, as the plant part are folded. Option B, figure B, as every plant part is unfolded. Option C, both figure A and B as folding or unfolding, not matter. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, which is every plant part is unfolded. Botanical garden mainly serve the purpose of providing option A, beautiful area for recreation. Option B, reservoir for tropical plants. Option C, ex situ conservation of germplasm. Option D, natural habitat for wildlife. The correct answer is option C, which is ex situ conservation of germplasm. Study the following statement and select the correct ones. I. Herbarium is a storehouse of collected plant specimens that are dried, pressed and preserved on seed. 2. Flora provides the index to the plant species found in a particular area. 3. Monograph contain information on only one taxon. The option is option A, I and 2I, option B, 2I and 3I, option C, I and 3I, the option D, I, 2I and 3I. The correct answer is option D, which is I, 2I and 3I. all statements are correct. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from codes given below. Column I, Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, Indian Botanical Garden, National Botanical Research Institutes, Layout Botanical Garden. Column 2I, Lucknow, England, Howrah, Darjeeling. The correct answer is option A, which is Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, which found in England. Then Indian Botanical Garden, which is found in Howrah, National Botanical Research Institute, which is located in Lucknow, and the Layout Botanical Garden, which is found in Darjeeling. Dash E is a taxonomic aid which contains the actual accounts of habitat and distribution of plant of a given area and also provide the index to the plant species found in particular area. Option A, flora. Option B, key. Option C, monograph. Option D, manual. The correct answer is option A, which is flora. Which taxonomic aid gives comprehensive account of complete compiled information of a genus or family at a particular time? Option A, taxonomic key. Option B, herbarium. Option D, monograph. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option C, which is monograph. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I, Botanical Garden, Zoological Park, Museum, Herbarium. Column 2I, Preserved Plant Specimens, Preserved Plant and Animal Specimen, Living Plant, Living Wild Animal. The correct answer is option B. Option B, which is Botanical Garden for living plants, Zoological Park for living wild animals, Museum for preserved plant and animal specimen, Herbarium for preserved plant specimen. Study the following statement regarding significance of botanical garden and select the incorrect one. Option A, these help in growing important plant of local flora and keeping their record. Option B, these help in providing living plant material for research work. Option C, these plant in growing and maintaining rare and endangered plant. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option D, none of these. Read the following statement regarding biological museum. Botanical museums are generally set up in educational institutes such as school and colleges. Museums have collection of preserved plant and animal specimens for study and reference. Specimens are preserved in the container or jar in preservative solution. Insects are preserved in insect box after collecting, killing and pinning. Large animals like birds and mammals are usually stuffed and preserved. The skeleton of mammals are not allowed to be kept in museum. Which of the above statement is or are not correct? Option A, 2I and 3rd eye. Option B, I and IB. Option C, only V. Option D, only VI. The correct answer is option D, which is only VI. The plants growing in an area surrounded by a geographical or political boundary will be included in option A, fauna. Option B, aquatic ecosystem. Option C, flora. Option D, terrestrial. The correct answer is option C, which is flora. Arboretum is a part of botanical gardens where option A, bonsai are made. Option B, beautification is done. Option C, palms are grown. Option D, big trees are collected in the form of forest. The correct answer is option D, which is big trees are cultivated in the form of forest. The most convenient way for easy identification of plants and animals by applying diagnostic feature is used. Option A, botanical garden. Option B, herbaria. Option C, museum. Option D, taxonomic key. The correct answer is option D, which is taxonomic key. Read the following statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Zoological park arrangement are the place where wild animals are kept in protected environment under human care and which enable us to learn about their food habits and behavior. Statement 2. Adequate arrangement for the treatment, medicine, regular checkup, and pathological investigation are absolutely necessary to be made for health care and upkeep of animals. Option: both statement 1 and 2 are true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of the statement 1. Option B: both statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of the statement 1. Option C, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Option D, both statement 1 and 2 are false. The correct answer is option B, which is both statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Study the following statement regarding preparation of herbarium seed. Plants should be collected in flowering stage. Every detail regarding the plant, such as locality, ecological condition, vegetative and floral character, etc., should be noted. Plants are evenly pressed by unfolding. All the plant are get dried. Blotting papers need not be changed until the plant gets dried. After drying, seed is labeled on the lower right hand corner representing the number of plant specimen, date of collection, etc. Which of the above statement is or are not correct? Option A, I only. Option B, IV only. Option C, I and IV. Option D, third eye and IV. The correct answer is option B, which is IV only. Blotting paper need not be changed until the plant gets dried. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I, ecology, herbarium, holotype, taxon. Column 2I, relationship of organism and environments, original specimen cited by an author, a hierarchical unit, collection of wild and domestic plant. The correct answer is option C, which is ecology, which join with the relationship of organism and environment. Herbarium for collection of wild and domestic plant. Holotype for the original specimen cited by an author. Taxon is joined with a hierarchical unit. As we go from species to kingdom in a taxonomic hierarchy, The number of common characteristics, option A, will decrease, option B, will increase, option C, remain same, option D, may increase or decrease. The correct answer is option A, which is will decrease. Which of the following suffix used for units of classification in plants indicate a taxonomic category of family? Option A, ALES, option B, ONAE, option C, ACEAE, option D, AE. The correct answer is option C, which is ACEAE. The term systematics refers to option A, identification and study of organ system. Option B, identification and preservation of plant and animals. Option C, diversity of kinds of organism and their relationship. Option D, study of habitat of organism and their classification. The correct answer is C, which is diversity of kinds of organism and their relationship. Genus represent option A, an individual plant or animal. Option B, a collection of plant or animal. Option C, group of closely related species of plant or animals. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, which is group of closely related species of plants and animals. The taxonomic unit phylum in the classification of animals is equivalent to which hierarchical level of classification of plants? Option A, class. Option B, order. Option C, division. Option D, family. The correct answer is option C, which is division. Botanical gardens and zoological parks have option A, collection of endemic living species only. Option B, collection of exotic living species only. Option C, collection of endemic and exotic living species. Option D, collection of only local plants and animal. The correct answer is option C, which is the botanical garden and zoological park have the collection of endemic and exotic living species. Taxonomic key is one of the taxonomic tool in the identification and classification of plants and animals. It is used in the preparation of option A, monograph, option B, flora, option C, both A and B, option D, none of this. The correct answer is option C, which is both A and B, that means both monograph and flora. All living organisms are linked to one another because option A, they have common genetic material of the same type. Option B, they share common genetic material but to varying degree. Option C, all have common cellular organization. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option B, which is they share common genetic material but to varying degree. Which of the following is defining characteristics of living organism? Option A, growth. Option B, ability to make sound. Option C, reproduction. Option D, response to external stimuli. The correct answer is option D, which is response to external stimuli, which is a defining characteristics of the living organism. Match the following and choose the correct option. A, family, B. kingdom, C. order, D. species, E. genus. I. Tiverism, 2. Polynomials, 3. Solanum, IV. Plantae, V. Solanaceae. The correct answer is option A, which is Tiverism is a species, Polynomials is a order, Solanum is a genus, Plantae is a kingdom, Solanaceae is a family.